Let's make an infinity scarf, but with a hidden pocket. It's a zipper pouch. What? Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. And listen, I know I'm losing people because I said zipper and you're all freaking out. Don't freak out. It's easy. You'll see. I got some scarves from Dollar Tree. I don't know. They're like 55 by whatever. I used 2 different colors and I cut the ends off. I'll save the ends. I'll probably use them for something. Then I have a fat quarter. I'm going to cut this down to 9 by 7 and you're going to do 2 of those. Perfect. I ironed mine. You don't have to if you don't want to. It is going to be hidden. Then I have a 7-inch zipper. Got that from Walmart. They're like $1. Now you're going to measure in 5 inches from the end of your scarf, and you're going to put your zipper face down and then put your, whatever your pocket piece is going to be, and you're going to do a straight stitch across. Did it. Done. Look it. We're going to make sure it's okay. It is. Perfect. Next, we're going to go and put our other scarf on the bottom, and we're going to put this pile on top. And again, same song, second verse. Your zipper face down. You want to put your pocket piece on top of that. Secure it. Then you're going to do a straight stitch across that. Make sure that it's just the second scarf, the zipper, and the pocket piece. Okay. All right. Now we've got those. Oh, look, we're working so quickly. It's awesome. All right, so now we have our pocket piece, and we're going to put the 2 pocket pieces together, and we're going to secure. And then we're going to also secure the scarf pieces. So we're going to just put those together. See, and it's so easy because they're straight. This is why I like buying them from Dollar Tree, because it's already cut. It's already pretty much straight. I don't have to worry about it. But see how I'm just making sure that I secure both sides. Now, when you sew this, you leave that part of the pocket open, that middle part. And when you sew the sides only, leave the ends of the scarves open as well. We did that. Perfect. Now we're going to make sure that our ends are nice and not secure. God, words are hard. We want to make sure the ends are nice and straight. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull one end through to the other end, and I just match up the seams. Easy peasy. Like, stop, right? Make sure when you do this that the pocket part is still on the outside. Okay, don't pull the pocket part through, or else you won't be able to pull it through when we get done sewing. So I secure the ends, and now we're going to just do a straight stitch around that. And here we are. All right, next we're going to, remember that part we left open on the pocket on the bottom? I leave a huge opening. You don't have to. All right. And then we're just going to pull our scarf through that. This is so fun. This is so flippin' fun. I can't even stand it. And I'm not even a scarf person. Seriously. All right. So we pulled it all the way through. Awesome. This is our zipper pouch part. Look at how fun this is. All right. So next we're going to take our pouch part or our pocket part, and you're just going to fold it in on itself, secure it, and then straight stitch across. It doesn't have to be pretty because it's the inside of your pocket. So don't worry about it. So just straight stitch. There we go. We got it straight stitch. Then just shove it inside. Look at this. Stop it. Look, I can't even. And hooray for you. You get to see my face today. But look at, there's a little zipper pouch. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Stop. This would make a great gift, and it would make something great for you. I'm just saying. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.